Hey guys, so welcome back to my new vlog. It's 30th June and it is my parents' 22nd anniversary, and on that occasion we are headed to Le Meridian Resort in Mahabaleshwar. I haven't been to Mahabaleshwar before as an adult. The last time probably I went there was as a 2 or 3 years old child, so obviously I don't have any distinct memory of the same. So I hope I enjoyed this trip, and if I do enjoy, I'm sure you all are going to enjoy with me. So stay tuned during the whole duration of the vlog. It's going to be a long drive here from Mumbai, so let's get started. So yes, after a drive of about 5.5 hours, that was pretty reasonable, better than we expected. We are finally here at Le Meridian, and by the initial looks of it, I'm so excited because I can't believe I'm between a jungle, staying in a jungle of about 10,000 trees that Le Meridian has, and the nature that is over here. And as you all know, I just love nature. You all can watch it in my vlogs or even my photography page, Lens Culture 45, where I'm always posting about nature. So I just love that, and staying between that, between the chirping of the birds, if you can hear it too right now, is just so pleasant. So I'm sure I'm here for a treat, and I'm definitely going to enjoy this place a lot. Uh, Currently, I'm waiting for my check-in and my room to be made available. Before that, we've had to have our corona antigen, rapid antigen test. I probably got that done for the first time, but I'm sure that we are going to enjoy this place over here. We are just going to go into our rooms, go for the high tea. So it's 4 p.m. and we've just come here to have our high tea. It's a wonderful place, I have to say. I don't know what the menu is right now, but probably there will be just normal coffee and tea. Well, and also there's karaoke going on, so it's going to be a fun place to be right now. So the high tea has just got over and I'm heading back to the reception. Hopefully the room is ready by now. You won't believe what just happened. I've been upgraded to a suite. I usually don't do room tours, but this one is too nice to not do one. So guys, just be prepared because you all are here to witness the room tour of the Sanctuary Suite at Le Meridian. A table for six, just what I wanted for my family. A long corridor. A mini living room. Some fancy mirrors too. The perfect master bedroom. A bathroom with a bathtub. Well, and this is the balcony. The balcony that is probably even bigger than my bedroom back in Mumbai. But if I had to speak facts, I was really very sad about the service here at Le Meridian. But after they upgraded me to this room, I probably just knew how much they care about their hospitality services out here. That's why Marriott is Marriott. So happy to be here, and I'm sure that this room is probably just going to enhance our stay over here. Right now I'm just going to go on a property tour since it's a really huge 40-acre property. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to take you all with me. So come along guys. So this is the map of the property. I'm right now over here. Wait, I'm not sure if you all are able to see it. Let me get the camera closer. So I'm right now there staying in Villa 12. My grandparents are over here in Villa 9. This is where we had checked in, and after that there was a buggy which got us over here to our villas. And there is also a really nice recreation point out there with the infinity pool, which unfortunately obviously we can't go in, but I definitely will be heading over there to show you the views. I do not really know what to say over here, but I found this location really nice to shoot. Probably some other day when you all come over here, you all can say something. I've reached the recreation wing, which has an infinity pool, so just be prepared. And there we go. Okay, wow. I'm really sorry if you all couldn't get the best shots over here because it's raining really heavily, and I have risked my camera for that, hoping nothing's happened, but that's all I could offer. I certainly hope that I can come over here someday when it's not raining to view those majestic hills and stuff over there, because it's really foggy right now, nothing's really visible, but this place is made great. Salute to the architecture out here, love this place. It's rainy, or I'm sure I would have stayed here a little bit more, but can't really help it. Right now I'm in the shade, but can't really enjoy the views out there. One thing that I did notice was that there are over here a lot of signs of stay socially distant, thank you for staying 6 feet apart, and stuff like that. And I've been to a couple of other resorts too during these COVID times, and I've not seen something like that. So I really appreciate Le Meridien for that, hoping that people apply it. But just one more observation that I had was that since they've got all of us, like every person residing over here, tested for corona, and they're only allowing the negative patients to negative people to stay over here, so this does gives a kind of relief to the people residing over here like me, that all the people staying over here are negative and I can have fun like without having any tension about the same. So we are taking precautions, definitely, no doubt about that, but it definitely is some kind of relief. So the housekeeping staff had come to our villa requesting us to allow them to decorate the room as a surprise for mom and dad's anniversary. And you can have a look at the reaction very soon, just right now.
My God.
Congratulations and celebrations.
Too
When
good.
I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations
Oh,
and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented.
So it's been a really great and pleasant stay here at Le Meridien. I certainly enjoyed it. Kudos to the team, kudos to the hospitality team, and special thanks to Mr. Subhash for really catering us so well and making us stay over here really present. I'm really sorry for the background noise out there, but I certainly enjoyed my stay out here, and I wish to come here sometime when it's not raining to enjoy the infinity pool, definitely. But hope to see this property really soon. Anyway, now I'll see you all back in Mumbai. We were on our way back to Mumbai, and while driving we just found this beautiful place that we decided to stop by. It's really wonderful and scenic, so I just thought that we should get some pictures and we stopped by.
It's wonderful, wonderful.
So I'm back here at my home from Mahabaleshwar after a really tiring drive, And if I had to conclude this trip, then I'd say it was a much needed one. Also, I just thought of an unpopular opinion probably, and that is that Mahabaleshwar is way prettier than Lonavala, probably just because Lonavala is really crowded right now. Anyway, I'd like to end this vlog right here. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Many more videos coming your way. Until then, tata, bye bye.